Hey y'all, it's me, Dalton James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to finish the second part of the DMing my celebrities video that turned into DMing my friends video for food recommendations. So I know it's been a long time. I actually filmed all of this that week, well most of it that week, but I realized I needed to film other stuff and I never got to it, and then I ended up doing the dyeing my hair video, and so there was just a lot going on. So instead, now, here it is. Here's the next video. So yeah, let's get started. Good morning. It's like 5 a.m. and I'm gonna eat today's breakfast, which is mac and cheese. Thanks, Tyler. Also, fun fact, for the mac and cheese, I made this last night, I'm just not about to cook mac and cheese at 5 a.m. We have Paw Patrol mac and cheese. Look, they're cute. So that's today's breakfast, yay. So you might remember that my sister's friend Danny, I messaged her and she sent me 2 meals actually, which was really cool for her. So this one is actually the first one she made, which was this stir fry with coconut aminos in it, which I looked up and ended up being like kind of like a soy sauce sort of thing. So that is the first lunch here. As you can see, I actually made enough for a second meal later, so I went ahead and put that in a Tupperware and ate that on a different day. Okay, so I'm still a little hungry before, I'm about to go to SoulCycle and I'm a little hungry, so I think I'm gonna make some like rice cakes with peanut butter or something, just to, like hold me over. I think it's because I've been up for a long time, but I haven't had a snack yet today, and yeah, so I'm gonna have some rice cakes with peanut butter. I'm sweaty. I just got back from SoulCycle and it's time for me to make dinner, which is from Laurel, and yeah, you see my sweat, it's real cute. It is a steak, it's a salad with steak and feta and this dressing. She sent me the recipe for her dressing. I was gonna make it, not going to, because it is 9 o'clock. I've been up since 5 a.m. So we're going to make this steak right now. We're gonna be really basic with the steak. I'm just gonna put avocado oil in the pan and add salt and pepper because, once again, it's 9 o'clock. Ew! Yum. And so we were all done with the salad, which looked so bomb. It was super good, and obviously loved it. I ended up posting it on my Instagram and I was like, thanks Laurel for the tip, because it was actually really good. I don't know why, I don't really eat beef a lot, like that's not something I tend to do. I really like cows, but then also the environmental impact of eating beef is just like not as good if you eat like other things like chicken and turkey, so don't eat beef a lot, but it was pretty good. That steak was good. Okay, so now I'm doing Danny's breakfast thing. I just did a run, so it is 12:20, which she said she normally eats around noon because she intermittent fast. So I couldn't find, she said she has avocado mayo and hers, like a spicy avocado mayo, and I couldn't find that. But to still add healthy fat, I'm gonna add feta to the scramble and avocado itself, and then some spice, some red pepper flakes. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. My roasted veggies, broccoli and cauliflower, and then I got eggs, red pepper flakes, feta, and avocado. Mix them all together, and that will be our breakfast. Okay, so my friend Erin said for me to eat grilled shrimp on a salad, and I hate, I hate shrimp. Anything that comes from the ocean, I don't want to eat. So instead of that, I made the salad, and I'm just gonna put leftover steak from yesterday. Sorry, Erin, I couldn't do it. I tried, I had a bite of shrimp yesterday, see if I could do it and buy more, but I didn't want to waste money because it was not gonna happen. So if you guys remember, Georgia had actually asked if recommended for me to go to Busboys and Po's, which is a place near where I work, to have a salad. And the one that she offered me didn't have like, she wanted me to do this like spinach and wheatberry salad. And I went there and they were actually out of some of the things for it. So instead I just had a traditional salad. I think it was like a super green, no, it was a Cobb salad with super greens. And it was actually one of the best salads I've ever had. I'll probably go back and get that one soon because it was so good. So my sister Holly sent me a thing for a ground turkey breakfast bowl, like super high in protein. So just make that and eat that for breakfast. And yeah, that will be also be nice to have blue hair. So that'll be today's breakfast, this protein bowl. Super excited to see how it tastes. Okay, so this breakfast bowl that my sister recommended was super good. I really enjoyed it. What was cool is I think it was super filling, but at the same time, I didn't feel heavy afterwards. I feel like I could do a lot because it was like mainly like a lot of protein in it. And it didn't have like a lot of other stuff in there other than protein. Plus the avocado was super good. I actually found some really good avocados while making this, which was perfecto, because I never really find good avocados. This salad was a salad that was recommended to me by my friend Aiden, which she loves like strawberries and spinach and all that stuff. So I ended up buying like a whole thing of strawberries. At my grocery store, they were only $2 for this whole carton. I think, I don't really know the best way to say it, but they were already like prepared and washed and stuff. So that was pretty cool that I didn't have to do any of that work. Okay, so for the last meal, I am making, sorry, I'm like kind of gross, I just did SoulCycle. I am making this quinoa bowl that Katie recommended for me to make, and fun fact, I added turkey to it because I wanted a little bit more protein in the meal. I couldn't find a tahini sauce, which is what she told me she adds to it. So it's a take on what Katie told me to make. But I got the turkey right here and the quinoa in there, and I'll be back in a second when everything's ready. The last meal of the day was this quinoa bowl that my friend Katie recommended for me to make, and honestly, it was so good. Quinoa. She doesn't add turkey. I added turkey because I wanted even more protein in there. But like quinoa, turkey, avocado, corn, black beans. It was just super good. I actually couldn't find a tahini sauce, which I felt kind of bad for, but I did find a lot of other great things while I was looking for it, which is super good. And I love that recipe so much, I've now made it like 6 times since then. That one's probably gonna be one of my go-tos now, which is good. Like that's the point of like asking your friends what they eat a lot of, because then you find some new go-tos that you can definitely make as well, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this kind of video. If you didn't, don't leave a comment. If you did, leave a comment, let me know what you thought about it. Also, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button down below, and that bell icon, because if you don't hit the bell icon, you won't be notified. So if you don't get notified, you won't know the next time I upload a video on YouTube. And now, the second week in a row, might be more consistent, we don't know, but I'm going to be continually trying to upload every single week, hopefully somewhere between Tuesday and Thursday. I feel like that's what I'm going to try to do the most of. Wednesday obviously is my go-to Wellness Wednesday. Sometimes I get behind, obviously, like this video is going up on a Thursday. So yeah, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.